Attention. These ancient powers are awakening right now across America, and I'm about to show you how to survive. First, feel that static electricity in your hair? That's step one when you're about to encounter a Thunderbird. Trust me, I've been there, standing on that mountain peak during what I thought was just a regular hike. Looking up, I see massive storm clouds forming unnaturally fast. The air crackles with electricity. My skin tingles as lightning arcs between clouds that are taking the shape of enormous wings spanning the entire sky. Then the frustration hits. I realize I'm completely exposed on this ridge with nowhere to hide. The winds whip violently around me as the clouds part, revealing enormous talons reaching down from above. But here's the solution, folks. I drop to my knees and offer tobacco to the four directions, just as the Algonquian people taught. The winds immediately calm. The massive bird-shaped cloud hovers, its eyes two spinning vortexes, studying me with ancient intelligence. That's when I understand. The Thunderbird isn't just bringing destruction. It's clearing the way for new growth, just like a forest fire makes way for fresh beginnings. Next time,